This video will show you how to use the DJI FlyCart 30 winch system. In the camera view, tap the settings icon in the upper right corner, then tap the payload settings icon. Select tether descent, so cargo can be loaded when the drone is on the ground or in the air. Loading cargo when the drone is on the ground. When the drone is on the ground, you can use the right dial to reel up the cable until the value of release changes to 0M. Then attach the cargo extension cable to the hook. Ensure that the extension cable does not pass through the crossbar of the landing gear. To load cargo when the drone is in the air, you are advised to use counterweights. Otherwise, the cable might get stuck. Land the drone if the cable gets stuck. Tap the payload settings icon. Turn on repair mode. Pull out and organize the cable manually. Turn off repair mode when the work is done. To load cargo when the drone is in the air, make sure that the operating area is unobstructed and free of people. Keep the drone in T/F mode throughout the entire operation. First, fly the drone to a hover position about 15 m directly above the cargo. Note, when the drone is moving, it is prohibited to reel up or down the cable. If the hook swings significantly when the drone hovers, it is prohibited to reel up the cable. Gently reel down the cable until the hook touches the ground. Stop reeling down the cable when the hook touches the ground, otherwise, the cable may get stuck. Next, lower the altitude of the drone to around 10 m. Then fly the drone forward about 10 m and make it hover. After the previous operations are completed, an on-site operator wearing goggles and a protective helmet can enter the operating area to load the cargo. Check if the cargo is securely fastened. Pulling the cable with excessive force is prohibited. Attach the cargo to the hook. Lock the secondary lock. And place the hook on the ground. The on-site operator must ensure everything is in order before leaving. After the on-site operator reaches a safe area, fly the drone up until the cargo leaves the ground. Then reel up the cable. If the cargo swings abnormally while you reel up the cable, stop reel up. Wait till the cargo is stationary. Continue reeling up the cable until the value of release changes to 0M. Switch the remote controller to N mode. Move the control stick slowly. Fly the drone towards the target area. Then notify personnel in the target area to receive the cargo. When the drone is 100 m away from the target area, start decelerating the drone. If a message appears, warning that the swing angle is too large, tap swing control, recommended when the released cable is at least 5 m, to reduce cargo swinging. Move the control stick slowly to fly the drone to the target area. Lower the altitude to about 15 m. Wait for the drone to hover stably. Tap the gimbal adjustment icon. Set the FPV camera to face downwards. Align AR projection with the target waypoint. Tap the cable reel down icon. The hook will automatically let go when the cargo reaches the ground. Use the right dial on the remote controller to reel up the cable until the value of release changes to 0M. After the drone leaves, relevant personnel can retrieve the cargo. If the cable gets entangled with objects such as trees, tap the cable fuse icon to cut the cable and ensure flight safety.